And we begin the bulletin with some breaking news coming in, where the Health Minister Mansukh Mandviya is all set to chair a high-level meeting to review preparedness for the heat wave across the country. Action plan on the preparations on the agenda. Well, that is the big breaking news that we are getting you at this point in time, where the Health Minister Mansukh Mandviya is set to hold a high-level meeting to review preparedness for heat wave across the country. The action plan on the preparation is going to be on the agenda, where the Health Minister is going to take stock of all the preparations and arrangements to combat the heat wave. Health Minister Mansukh Mandviya is set to hold a high-level meeting to review the preparations for the heat wave across the country. Remember, several places have reported high temperatures, and the action plan on ground is going to be reviewed by the Health Minister Mansukh Mandviya, as he is set to hold a high-level meeting with the state governments, representatives and many other such stakeholders to ensure that the country is combat ready against heat wave that is being reported from several parts of the country. The meeting is scheduled to take place around 11:30 a.m. today. And to get us more details, I'm joined by my colleague Mayank. Well, Mayank, good morning. Take us through what is expected in this meeting that the Health Minister Mansukh Mandviya is set to take on the heat wave.
Firstly, there have been reports coming in from different states and also, districts, especially in the northern part of the country, that there were, strokes of heat wave that people were facing, and there were many people, getting admitted to multiple hospitals with severe ailments, and that is why Health Ministry, has decided to, organize a big meeting which will be chaired by Minister Mansukh Mandviya, where there will be an action plan which will be laid out by the policy makers of the Health Ministry, that will be given and shared with all the hospital administration across the country as to how the patients of heat strokes will be managed. So that will decide the future course of action as far as the treatment and management of heat stroke related ailments is concerned. So we have seen that people falling ill in different parts of northern India. Some of the reports from the Ballia district in Uttar Pradesh also highlighted that how people were dying, in fact, from the heat wave, and that is why Health Ministry has taken cognizance of those concerns of people, and they are saying that there will be a wider policy framework that will be, guided by the policy makers in the Health Ministry and shared with the hospitals across the country for the management.
Well, thank you, Mayank, for getting us all those details. We'll come back to you for more on the story.